Hello children. Children, firstly, tell me what is the date today? Today's date is 25th of July, right? 25th of July 2010. Which topic which subject I teach you? I teach you maths. Okay. Children, in my hand, what is this? This is pens. Children, if I have 3 pens in my hand and I gave you 1 pen to you, then how many pens is left in my hand? There is 2 pens, right? So, children, you all see video of subtraction in my previous video in a topic is subtraction. Then you all see some examples in the animated video. You all see the examples like Meena has 5 flowers and he gave away how many flowers? To Rohit is 2 flowers. We have 3 leaves and I give away 2 leaves. Then how many leaves I have? I have only 1 leaves. In a garden, you all see in the video 3 butterflies are sitting on the flower, but all of 3 of them are fly over. So how many flowers? How many butterflies left on the flower? No, 0 butterfly. Only flowers is left. Okay, children, these all are examples, are some common examples as you all see in the video, and you all like the video also. Like children, in that video you all see in the beginning of the video you all see take away. The word is take away, and also I told you the meanings of subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? Anyone tell me? No. Okay, I tell you. Okay, firstly, topic is subtraction. SUBTRACTION. Okay, subtraction. Now children, in subtraction, first tell me the first point is. What is the first point? The first point is subtraction. The word which you saw in the video, that take away. Take away means that take away. Take मतलब लेना, मतलब किसी चीज़ से लेना. ओके, जैसे सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स टेक अवे, मतलब किसी चीज़ से लेना, या गिव अवे. गिव अवे मतलब या किसी चीज़ या अपने में से किसी चीज़ को किसी को कोई वो चीज़ दे देना. ठीक है, जो चीज़ आपके पास है कलेक्शन, मतलब लार्जर पॉइंट पे है, मतलब ज़्यादा है, और आप उसमें से थोड़ा सा आप किसी को दे रहे हो, तो दैट मीन्स गिव अवे. टेक अवे, अगर किसी के पास वो चीज़ ज़्यादा है और आप वो चीज़ ले रहे हो, तो उसे आप टेक अवे. ओके, subtraction simply means that if you have larger number and you subtract some smaller number from the larger number, that means it's called a subtraction. And the sum, the difference which you get is called the sum, the result which you get is called the differences. Okay children, now the first point is subtraction means take away, means le lena. Second is if we subtract smaller number from the larger number, means smaller number from the larger number. अगर हम किसी छोटे नंबर को बड़े नंबर से अगर हम subtract मतलब निकाल लेते या माइनस कर देते हैं, तब वो नंबर, वो लार्जर नंबर छोटा हो जाता है. उसे हम कहते हैं मत मीन्स जो रिजल्ट आता है वो छोटा हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स दैट रिजल्ट इज कॉल्ड द डिफरेंस ऑल्सो. एंड the subtractions also means that we have to give away. If we have some same collections that we have to give away to someone, that means also the subtraction. Okay, now children, if we take some example like 78 minus 25. Okay, if we put the place value as it in the addition. Now This is which sign? This is sign called subtraction sign, and this is called minus also. M-I-N-U-S, and addition sign. This is sign is called minus sign. Okay. Now let's we subtract. Children, firstly, just see in always start subtracting from the ones digit. Okay, ones place. Now the ones column is 8 and 5. Now we have to minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 8. Children, you all have to in subtraction you all have to go backward. Okay, always minus we have to go backward, and in addition you all have to go in forward, because you all have to add something. Two objects when added, then we have to go forward lining. Okay, and in subtraction we have to divide, that means we have to subtract into a smaller number from the bigger number, so that's why we have to go backward. So here is the 8. Okay, now let's subtraction go backward. Subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5. How many lines is left? 1, 2, 3. Now the tens. 7 minus 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. Backward. So 1, 2. How many lines is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay. Children, if we subtract, then how many lines is left? You have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That counting, that left line is the result. Okay. So this is called the difference. What is this called? The difference. E-R-E-N-C-E. Okay, difference. Now children, this is the subtraction. Now children, tell me, if you have what? If you have 15 toffees. Okay, if you have 15 toffees and I take you from all the 15 toffees, and I told you that give me all the 15 toffees, then how many toffees you have? 0 toffees, right? If I take you all the 15 toffees, then how many toffees? 0 toffees. That means children, if a number subtracted from itself from the same number, then the result which we get is 0. Okay, that means, and that is the properties of subtraction, right children? Now here today's topic is of subtraction. Okay, properties of subtraction. First property is here, when a number is subtracted from the same number, the answer is is 0. Okay, that means when a number is subtracted from the same number, the answer is 0. Okay, now let's see some example. First, if we subtract ones or tens, and if we subtract means 25 minus 25, then how many? What is the difference? 5 minus 5. Here is 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Minus subtract means we have to go backward. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No lines is left. So that means 25. 0, and in the tens column is 2. Here is 1, 2, and we have to subtract 2 again. Then 1, 2. No lines is left. That means the answer is 0. Children, if Sita having pot, having 8 pot, okay. Now Meena came and she take all the 8 pot. How many pot Sita having? Sita have 0 pot. So that means if we subtract the same numbers, that means the numbers subtracted is subtracted from the same number, the answer is 0. If we subtract two same numbers, मतलब एक जैसे नंबर्स को अगर हम माइनस करेंगे तब हमारा आंसर आएगा 0. Okay, this is the first property. Have you all understood? Now second property is, children, yes, if you have 17 means that 17 ice creams you all like. If you have 17 ice cream and I didn't take any ice cream from you, or your brothers and sisters didn't take any ice cream from you, how many ice creams you have? You have 17 ice creams. Yummy! 17 ice creams you all have. Okay, so children, in this property, that if you have 17 ice cream and you didn't give, and nobody wants to take away from you any ice creams, then how many? 17. That means 17 minus 0, if nobody, so that means 0. So if a number is divided, or 17 is divided by 0, 17 is subtracted by 0 from 0, then how many? What is the answer is left? Answer is 17. Now answer is 17. Now this is the second property. Okay, now children, when 0 is subtracted, SUB, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself, is the number itself. That means children, here this is the first property and this is the second. Children, that means if we subtract, when a 0 is subtracted, here the answer which we get, both the numbers, the two same numbers, if we subtracted, the answer which we get is 0. But in the second property, if we subtract 0 from any number, 0 to any number, then the answer which we get, the difference is the number is itself. Itself means वो खुद का नंबर होता है. अगर हम किसी नंबर को 0 से माइनस करेंगे तब वो नंबर, वो डिफरेंस, वो खुद का नंबर आता है. ठीक, लेट्स वी सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. Children, if we take Example, here 0 and tens, 83 minus 0. Okay, sign is subtraction. Now the answer is 8 minus 0. Sorry, 3 minus 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 0. 0 means what? 0 means? 0 means nothing. So here is 3. If we didn't have any nothing to subtract, then what is the answer? It's 3. So 3. And is there any number below this 8? So what we have to do? We have to just write it down. If we don't have any number below this 8. So if we don't have any number to subtract from 8, then what we have to do? We have to just write it down 8 as it is, as then. What is the difference is? 83. Okay children? So this is the difference is 83. If we take one more example. Okay children, I give you okay children, let's we take 0, 20 what? 20 chocolates. If we 20 chocolates and you didn't give any chocolates to anyone, then how many chocolates? 0. 0 means 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0 minus 0 is 0. What I told you in the first, if the same number is subtracted, then what is the sum is? 0. That means 0 means 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Then here is 22. Is there any number below this? No. What we have to do? We have to just write it down. What is the answer? Answer is 2. Okay. Now this is the property number 2. Okay. Now children, let's we see property of property. Children, children, tell me what is the which number comes before 75? Here 75. Which number is come? Which number is came here? 74. Before means पहले. Which number comes? 83 before this? 83, 82. What does it means? It means that if 83 minus 1, then what is that what is the result comes? The result is 82. So in this also the third property is subtracting 1, subtracting 1 from any number gives the predecessor predecessor of the number predecessor of the number. That means children, this number which we get, which you always the number which is subtracted by 0, subtracted by 1, then predecessor, we get the predecessor of the number. That means we get if we minus to any number. Okay, let's we see. Children, if we see, if we take 100 minus 1, if we take 100 minus 1, which number is get? We get 99, right children? So as it is as here which number? Here property number 3. Okay, now children, if we get minus to anyone, okay, now here tens and ones, 65 minus 1. 5 minus 1, orally tell me. 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 1, 4. Then 6. Is there any number below the 6? No. Only we have to write it down as it is as. So what is which number is come? 64. Okay. From this, if I am asking that children, tell me which number comes before 65? Which number? 64. 65 is 64. So this is the process, and this number is called the predecessor of this number. That means 64 is the predecessor of 65. Again, one more example. If I take 99 minus 1. If I take 99 minus 1, then what is the difference? 9 minus 1 is 8. And here, is there any number? No. 90. So children, the third property is that if we get any minus 1 to if we subtract 1 to any number, then that number is called the predecessor of the bigger number. Okay, the number, and it is also called the the number which comes before that number. Okay, this is the third property. Orally, again I tell you that first property is what? If we subtract same number from if we subtract both number are the same, then the answer is which we get is 0. That is the first property. Second property is if 0 is subtracted to any number, then that the answer which we get is the number is the same which we in which 0 is subtracted. That means the result is same. That the result is itself the number in which the 0 is subtracted. Now the third property is if we subtract 1 to any number, then the number which we get is the predecessor of that number, or just like we said it before that number. Okay, so children, this is the properties of subtraction. Please keep on practicing and trying to solve it. Okay, and today's homework is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1 you all have to do, and stay at home, be safe. Thank you and have a nice day.